our lesson are Islamic Studies and English. But before we start, let's recite doa penerang hati and doa pagi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, next doa pagi. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan tayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Amin. What day is today, children? Today is Monday. How to spell Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. What date is today? Today is 18th of May of 2020. Alright. Today hafazan from the Juzul Amma is Surah Al-Insyirah. This surah consists of 8 ayat. Nak tahu tak dalam surah Al-Insyirah tu ada apa dalam tu? Apa makna Al-Insyirah tu? Mari kita tengok ya. Surah Al-Insyirah menerangkan tentang nikmat-nikmat Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Selain itu, surah ini menerangkan bahawa di samping kesukaran ada kemudahan. Kerana itu, Allah perintahkan kepada Nabi agar tetap melakukan amal-amal soleh dan bertawakal kepadanya. So, you need to memorize this surah at home with your parents. If you cannot memorize it, by just listening to it, you will get reward from Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. If you read and memorize, of course, you will get even more rewards. Alright, my dear. Teacher wants to tell you a story about Nabi Daud alaihi salam. But before that, let's sing a song together.
Adam, Idris, Nuh, Saleh, Ibrahim, Lut, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Ayub, Syu'ib, Musa, Harun, Zulkifli, Daud, Sulaiman, Ilyas, Ilyasa, Yunus, Zakaria, Yahya, Isa, Akhirul Khatimul Anbiya, Muhammad Al-Mustafa. Selawat ke atas Nabi, sejahtera ke atas Rasul, Nabi-Nabi yang diutuskan, mereka semua adalah mulia.
Okay, let's continue with the story. Nabi Daud alaihi salam was a young shepherd boy. He was very strong and courageous. One day, a troop of warriors came to attack his people. Everyone was very scared, but Nabi Daud alaihi salam killed their strongest warrior called Jalut. Allah helped Nabi Daud. Allah also gave Nabi Daud alaihi salam wisdom, power and skills. He was very good at making things and he made wonderful things out of iron. Nabi Daud alaihi salam was a very fair and looked after his people very well. Okay, children, moral of the story: as a leader, we should be fair to people. For English lesson, we have 2 books. One is English textbook and another one is English activity book. Okay, let's go to page 17. Let's read the title on the move. The first picture, we carry flowers in a cart. Second, we carry shopping in a trolley. Third, we carry furniture in a van. And fourth, we carry goods in a lorry. Okay, let's read the first sentence. We carry flowers in a look at the pictures. Which picture shows the act of carry flowers? This picture, right? Read the sentence again. We carry flowers in a cart. So, this sentence same with this one, right? We carry flowers in a cart. So, you need to write over here, cart. Okay, children. Same goes to this one and this one. You read the sentence and then refer to the pictures. Which picture show the action of the sentence, and then you can write the answers in the blanks. Okay dear, let's move to page 18. Let's read together. Let's sound. Word families, long vowel E. Read the words. Okay children, let's read together. E, E, E. One more time please. E, E, E. Okay, now look here. E. Eat, dream, tea. Next, E. Feed, sleep, tree. And this one, E. He, we, me. Okay, next, fill in the blanks with long vowel E. Look at this picture. Read, see, and this one, she. Let me show how to write the answers. Okay, this one, read. How to write read? R, E, A, T. Read. This one, see. How to write see? S, E, E, see. And the last one is she. How to write she? S, H, E, she. Let's continue with the next page, page 19. Let's read. He likes to read. He eats while he reads. Next, he sleeps under the tree. He sees bees in his dream. Don't forget to do the homework. Okay, this one. Read high frequency words. He likes while under in his. Okay dear, let's learn. Can they ride the bicycle? Can he ride the bicycle? Can she ride the bicycle? Okay, look at this picture. Now read with me. Can they climb up onto the lorry? No, they can't. Can he ride the bicycle? Yes, he can. For page 20, you need to read the daily conversation. What does he have in his hands? He has a frog and a box. What does she have in her hands? She has a comb and a brush. Okay, now take the English activity book. Okay, turn to page 9 and 10. Okay, let's go to page 9 first. Circle the correct long vowel E and color the picture. Again, circle the correct long vowel E and color the picture. Do you still remember this topic? If you get confused, you may refer to your English textbook. Okay, let me give you one example. What picture is this? This is T. Which one is the answer? E, E, E. This one right. So, circle and color the picture. I hope you can try these two at home. Alright, for this one, you need to look at the picture and fill in the correct answer. Let's try this. Walk to or walk along the door. So the answer is walk to the door. You need to write to over here. Please do this one and this one at home. Now page 10. Look at the picture and fill in the correct answer. For this one, you may refer to the textbook, page 19. Next, tick the correct answer. You need to read the questions and choose the correct answer. Remember children, you need to tick the correct answer. For example, can she drive the car? Can the little girl drive the car? Cannot, right? The answer is no, she can't. Tick like this. Hopefully, you can complete this activity at home. Don't forget to do the homework. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you on next video. Bye!